guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm taking you with me to something really special, the Bike Demo Expo. If you're into bikes, gear, and all things cycling, this is basically like Christmas morning for US riders. So grab a coffee, relax, and let's dive into the experience.
Nakahabol pa. Huli man daw, nakahabol din.
The moment I arrived, I could already feel the energy. The venue was packed with riders from weekend warriors to serious cyclists, all buzzing around checking out the latest bikes and gadgets. The vibe was chill but exciting. Booths were lined up with big brands, local bike shops, and even some custom frame builders showing off their best stuff. One of the coolest things about this expo: test rides. Yup, real test rides. You don't just stare at the bikes, you get to ride them. I had the chance to hop on a few top-end road bikes, a gravel monster, and even a couple of sleeky bikes. And then, some of those builds were so light and smooth, it felt like flying. You really get to feel the difference in components, frame geometry, and even tire grip. And it wasn't just about the bikes. The accessories were next level too. Helmets with built-in lights and Bluetooth, ultra-light carbon bottle cages, and bike computers that basically do everything but pedal for you. I even saw a tubeless tire demo where they purposely punctured a tire to show how fast the sealant kicked in. Pretty cool stuff. Also workshops and quick talks from mechanics, athletes, and bike fit experts. I caught one about saddle fitting. Sounds boring at first, but trust me, if you've ever felt sore after a long ride, this info is gold. Proper fit really changes everything. And of course, the community. I bumped into a few familiar faces from past rides, made new friends, and even got to chat with a couple of local cycling influencers. Events like this really remind you how tight-knit and passionate the cycling community is. We're all out here for the same reason, the love for the ride. Guess what stole the spotlight this year? Folding bikes. Compact, clever, and cooler than ever, these bikes aren't just for city commutes anymore. They've leveled up big time. We're talking sleeker designs, lighter frames, and folding mechanisms so smooth you'll want to fold and unfold just for fun. So that's a quick look at the Bike Demo Expo. Super fun, super informative, and definitely worth checking out if you're a cycling enthusiast. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment below if you've ever been to an event like this or what bike you'd love to test ride someday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next ride.